Shalom, shalom, shanipo. In this session, we continue with the letter He. The word Hesed means kindness of sympathetic nature, in the sense of bowing the neck to another as a sign of kindness. Similar sounding word Luce means kindness or showing mercy to another person. Next, we have Hasi, which means half. This is an equal part of something divided into two pieces. Similar word in Chibemba, Hati or Paghati, also refers to an equal division. Next, we have Hase, which means yard. This means a courtyard outside of the house. A similar word for Hase in Ichimemba is Panse, which refers to the outside. Next, we have Kherev, which means a sword, a weapon with a long blade for cutting or thrusting. Muele is a similar word which refers to a knife in Ichibemba. The next word is Khatan, which is a verb for be an in-law. This means to have a relationship with another through marriage. Katana or Huikatana means to hold hands in Ichibemba, but not necessarily through a relationship. The next word is Koshech, which means darkness. In Ichibemba, it is Wushiku, which means nighttime. This is a state of being dark, as the darkness of a moonless night. The next word is Heder. Heder means a chamber, a bedroom, a place surrounded by walls. Also means an inner place as hidden or secret. In Chibemba, Inchende refers to a space or a place. Next, we have Hul, which means to twist. This is a verb for a winding or wrapping together. In Ichibemba, Kula or Kula is to build something. Shalom, shalom, shalom po.